forces out, we have Randa Dance, past the begin, Danori inside is El Negro, Sant'Antoni in the hay, and Santiria is the early trailer. Now we have El Negro, the leader by Avalenka. Right there in second is Randa Dance, Sant'Antoni is racing in third, alongside Port in the hay, and Santiria trails the field by about 6 to 7 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, we have El Negro goes on by about 3 lengths. Randa Dance still in second. Sant'Antoni now trying to get closer in third. Santiria the outside Port. And in the hay now racing in last. That's still El Negro by about 3 lengths. Then here comes Sant'Antoni now coming closer in second alongside third. Randa Dance, Santiria, and in the hay. And that's still El Negro by Oralenga Hapa. Sant'Antoni still in second. Randa Dance is on the outside third. Santiria, and in the hay we have El Negro. Sant'Antoni now moves about the outside to take the leader. It's now Sant'Antoni by about 2 lengths. El Negro in second. Santiria then followed by in the hay. As they come down at the last 100, we have Sant'Antoni this time by about 4 lengths. El Negro in the hay, Santiria, and Randa Dance last 75 meters. It's all number 1, Sant'Antoni. Second, El Negro in the hay, Santiria, and Randa Dance.
1, 2, 3.
39, yung forecast na 1-2, ang ganda. 39.